I hate to say this, pero this car is good, bro.
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm not rich, give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade.
So this is the 2022 MG GS. Exterior-wise, napakagandang laser blue paint. May touch ng silver dito for more sporty look. At 17 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. At sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlight, fog lamps, at napakaangas ng grille at zero ang ending. At pagdating sa engine, it's a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder dual overhead cam automatic transmission gasoline engine. At napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina neto. At pagdating naman sa availability ng parts, hindi siya ganun kahirap. At pagdating naman sa fuel consumption, kaya niya mag 17 km per liter sa highway. At sa pinakalikod, all LED taillight, may rear fog lamps, rear sensor, rear camera, at sa trunk, wait, asan yung bukasan? Ay, ito pala. Maluwag ang trunk space niyan, foldable yung second row seat, kasya pa rin ang ref nyo. At dito sa loob, sobrang premium ng feels. Panoramic roof, brown leather seat, maayos na steering wheel, may mga controls dito, may cruise control, analog and digital display with 11,000 kilometers on the clock only, parang brand new pa yan. Kulay brown yung dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission with plus minus, milk tea at center console. At sa second row, nothing special pero abot dito yung panoramic roof at okay ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 patang head ko at ISOFIX ready na rin to. Kaya kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na mahilig sa tech at nagtitipid at the same time, ito ang perfect car mo. For only 695,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing, kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na to. Peace out.